Hey, Izzy, do you mind recording this, do you mind, recording the siren test here? Because I'm about to hit the message. Alright, tell me when to go. Tell me when to, go. Tell me when to hit the voice message.
Max, I am going, okay? I am screen
and remember,
recording.
This alert tone lasts for 3 minutes.
Okay.
So it's gonna be a little bit. Alright, here we go. Make sure y'all are recording. 3, 2, 1. Wait. I gotta unfly. Okay, for real. 3, 2, 1. This is a very cool test. It should shut down any minute. I'm zooming in.
Federal signal DSA 6x4.
Here we go. All right, you can stop screen recording. All right, you can stop.